Hi guys, are you thinking of turning your Canva skills into income? Selling editable templates on Etsy is one of the easiest ways to start an online business in 2025 because it requires no inventory, no shipping, and full creative control. So in this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to create a Canva template, list it on Etsy, and make it downloadable for your consumers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first step, we will start building a template that should solve a problem. So you need to come at canva.com and then log in into your account. Don't worry, for this purpose you don't need to have Canva Pro version, but if you have Canva Pro it will be a plus. So here you need to just try to get the designs that people might be searching for, like Instagram post templates, wedding invitations, business cards, daily planners. You need to keep it simple, customizable, and beginner friendly. So here you can just search for, let's say, Instagram post. So once you search for it, you will be able to find Instagram carousel, Instagram templates. So let's say I have selected Instagram templates. Now it has given me a lot of pre-made templates. So let's say I'm interested in this one. So you need to just click on it and click on the option of customize. Now in the customization part, you need to be unique. You need to just provide your creativity into it. So you can just change the design and you can start using it. So based on your editing skills, you just have to customize the template. You can change the emoji, you can change the text, and you need to just ready your template. Now once you are done with your editing, with your design, you need to tap on the share button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and over here you will see the option of these three dots. So you need to tap on these three dots, and here you will see this copy to clipboard option. So this is basically our template link which we are going to copy from here. So you need to copy this link, and now you need to just go back to Canva and design a simple PDF that includes the link and basic editing instructions. After that, you can go to your Etsy board, and there you need to just add your product and upload that PDF. You can even download it as PDF. So once you click on download option, you can select the PDF format here, and you can download this template in the form of PDF. After that, you can just upload it in your Etsy store. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.